what you just saw there is pretty common this time of the year in China, or certain parts of China, a lightning strike. And this is monsoon season. This is May 2023. Now, what I want to show you is some of the floods and some of the rain, and even a temporary bridge being swept away in this edition of the James N. Cooper Show. First of all, where this lightning strike was in Hubei province. You can see on the map here, but there has been a landslide there because of the heavy rain, and this sweeps across a brand new road which is only like 6 months old. If we go to Sichuan in the west of China, you can see this bridge being swept away. Now, please note, they say this is a temporary bridge. It wasn't there full time. It doesn't actually end there. Now, all these floods and rain that you're seeing actually all surrounds the Three Gorges Dam, which we will get to in a moment or two. Next one is in Hunan province, and you can see they had a lot of rain there over the last couple of days. Please note, these videos are a collection from, you could say, from the 22nd of May 2023 to the 31st, which is today, May 2023. And one more area to cover. This is Guizhou, I do believe. I may have got the pronunciation wrong, but you can see on the map what it is. So, is this rain and pitter-patter and thunderstorms, etc., affecting the Three Gorges Dam? Well, the answer is no with this one. The levels have gone down since the last 24-hour period at 152.38. They are trying their best to get it down to 145 before the real flood season starts, which will be June, July, August and September. The inflow and outflow, the in is at 13,000 and the outflow is 14,700. So let's have a look at the weather forecast of the whole of China over the next 3-4 days. And the hand that you can see there is by the Three Gorges. That is all the information I do have for you related to the rain, thunder, bridge collapses, lightning strikes in China. If you do like this channel, please consider a thumbs up. If you do like this channel, please consider a subscription. And if you're feeling really generous and you've got more money than sense, then hey, you can always donate to the channel. If the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia is watching, I know you have like $2 trillion. I won't be greedy. Maybe you could just like donate like 10 million. That'd be nice. That'd be pocket change for you. That you would earn that in a couple of seconds. Thank you so much for your time. My name is James. Enjoy your day. And tomorrow, yep, I will be going off to Thailand. So any comments related to what you want to see in the Sin City of Pattaya, I will be there over the next 3 or 4 days with my video camera. So please do let me know. Have an epic day wherever you are. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.